3 things to know before running ads to your Shopify store. First, you have to get your pixel installed. This is just a little bit of code that gets put on your website. It's going to relay all of the information from Facebook Ads Manager over to your Shopify store. Without it, your ads won't work. Second, this is huge. You have to make sure that your website is converting traffic, ideally at about a 2% conversion rate or higher. And I'd love to see your average order value at $50 or above. Third, make sure you plan out your ad strategy on paper. This is going to prevent you from freaking out. You're going to set your ads live and then panic and be like, oh my gosh, what's the next ad that I need to make if this ad isn't doing well? What did I think when my brain was calm? What did I think was the next best type of ad to try? I want you to write all of this out on paper so that there's not putting your ads live and panic. Oh, and make sure when you are writing out your ad strategy, make sure that you plan to do a sales objective. I don't want any boosting of posts, no traffic ads. This will not result in sales. We need to tell Meta that we are looking to get sales in order for us to actually see those sales coming in consistently day after day. Follow this account for help with your e-commerce ads.